Hey Nadia, tell me more about these humanoid robots. Are we living in an anime future yet?
Hi, Mike. Imagine blending the nostalgia of Astro Boy, Time of Eve, and the futuristic edge of today's tech. We are closer than ever to that reality.
Growing up in Japan, I was obsessed about Astro Boy, Android 18. It's got to be the best time to be alive for this. Yo Nadia, break down the newest humanoid robots for our channel.
Okay, Mike, let's dive into the world of humanoid robots in 2025. From Tesla's Optimus to China's rising stars, we'll find out who's leading the robot revolution. Get ready for fun facts, clear comparisons, and a few retro anime vibes along the way. This will be a multi-part series. Hope you enjoy.
You said recently tens of billions of robots, but that's decades away.
At least 1 decade away.
It's got to be more than that.
It's going to grow very fast.
Why do you think that?
I think humanoid robots will be the biggest product ever. The demand will be insatiable.
As far as I'm concerned, Tesla Optimus is still the golden child when it comes to humanoid race, right? I mean, Elon looks pretty serious at this interview. I mean, he's back at helm at Tesla. Seems like he's in deep research mode.
Tesla Optimus is indeed making a big splash. Picture a robot sorting stuff, doing chores, or working in factories. It uses advanced AI, similar to Tesla's self-driving tech, to see, move, and do basic tasks.
That does sound cool. Like having your very own helper from the future.
Optimus is designed to be affordable, priced around $20,000 to $30,000, and it's set for scalable production with thousands of units expected soon.
Your goal, you've also said, is to produce 1 million robots, I think by 2030. That's what I had you on the record as saying.
I think that's a reasonable target.
And then start towards sustainable abundance, which
It even features improved dexterity with hands that mimic human-like movements.
But I'm wondering, with all that hype, are there any hiccups I should know about?
Good question, Mike. There are concerns about whether Optimus truly acts on its own, or if it's just a clever illusion right now. It also can only lift so much weight, so while it's versatile, it does have its limitations compared to some industrial machines. Think of it as a promising rookie, much like an underdog in a classic anime showdown.
I see. So Optimus is like Season 1 Luffy. Still the main character with lots of promises to be great and disrupt the norm in the future. I really can't wait for that moment, and I'm sure Elon's gonna come back with a bang before the end of this year.
I guess time will tell, Mike.
I saw this interesting video lately about this humanoid robot, Xpeng Iron. Hopefully I'm saying it correctly. But it was doing presentations and supposedly, flexing its muscles there in the factories. Tell me more about that. It's from our red-hot rival, China.
Xpeng Iron is a heavy hitter in the industrial world. This robot is built for the factory floor, featuring 60 agile joints and armed with a Turing chip that lets it perform complex tasks like walking, grabbing, and even sitting down. Yes, it can take a break like a true workhorse.
Yeah, 60 joints. So that's gotta be super smooth, like Kikaido, switching forms and fighting enemies. But when I saw it recently on the videos, it seemed real slow and rigid. I mean, was it all hype?
While Iron excels in factories with a robust vision system and strong processing power, it currently caters more to industrial tasks. It's pricey, around $150,000, which means you're mostly looking at corporate clients rather than a home gadget. It's yet to prove if it can keep up in everyday scenarios or just in controlled environments.
Wow, $150,000 for one robot? Isn't that like how much Boston Dynamics Atlas is costing? How can you compare yourself to Atlas and you're nowhere near as close to the functionality at this point? Is this like a cash grab or something? If I'm one of those sharks at Shark Tank, hearing $150,000, 5 times the cost of a Tesla Optimus, why would I even want this in an industrial setting?
Exactly. It's a promising character in this futuristic race. Xpeng says that with its custom AI chip, being able to process AI models with up to 30 billion parameters, investment north of $13 billion, its journey is just beginning. That's it for this week, the Kaku Babes. Who won the first battle? US or China? Tune in next week when we cover the rest of Asia. Thank you for watching our channel, and please like and subscribe. This week's quote comes from Aaron Yeager. If you win, you live. If you lose, you die. If you don't fight, you can't win. Stay strong out there, babes.